What if I told you that the way you've been using garlic might be all wrong, and it's stealing the health benefits you deserve? That's right. That humble little bulb sitting in your kitchen isn't just for warding off vampires or adding flavor to your favorite dishes. Garlic has been revered for centuries, not just for its unique taste, but for its powerful medicinal properties. But here's the kicker. Most of us aren't reaping its full benefits because we're consuming it incorrectly. Could you be making these common mistakes? In today's video, we're uncovering the 8 mistakes people make when consuming garlic. Mistakes that might be diminishing its benefits or even making it harmful to your health. Stick around, because what you're about to learn might just revolutionize your health routine. Mistake number 1, overcooking the garlic. Remember when your grandma told you that cooking destroys nutrients? Well, she was onto something. When it comes to garlic, overheating can be a disaster for its health properties. The active compound allicin, responsible for garlic's myriad benefits, is extremely sensitive to heat. Think about it. You're making your favorite stir-fry, and you throw the garlic into the sizzling hot oil right at the beginning. Sure, it smells divine, but did you know that overcooking at high temperatures can deactivate allicin? So, all you're left with is the flavor, minus the health perks. To retain those benefits, add garlic towards the end of your cooking process. Or better yet, consider adding raw garlic to your dishes when possible. Mistake number 2, eating garlic whole. Have you heard of people swallowing whole cloves of garlic like pills? Maybe you've done it yourself to avoid the strong taste. The logic seems sound. No fuss, no muss, and you get the benefits, right? Wrong. Allicin isn't present in intact garlic cloves. It's formed when garlic is chopped, crushed, or chewed, allowing the compounds to activate. By swallowing whole cloves, you bypass this critical step. It's like buying a ticket to a concert, but never actually going. You miss the entire show. So next time, take a few moments to chop or crush your garlic before consuming it. Your body will thank you. Mistake number 3, buying pre-peeled or processed garlic. In our fast-paced world, convenience is king. Who has time to peel garlic when you can buy it pre-peeled, minced, or even in paste form? But here's the catch. Processing garlic reduces its potency. Pre-peeled garlic has been exposed to air and light, which can diminish its beneficial compounds. Plus, processed garlic may contain preservatives or additives you'd rather not consume. Think of it like pre-cut apples that turn brown once exposed to air. Once the protective skin is removed, quality degrades. Fresh is best. Spending that extra minute peeling and chopping your own garlic ensures you get all the health benefits. Mistake number 4, not washing garlic before use. You might be thinking, but garlic comes in its own protective skin. Why wash it? Well, even with the outer layers, garlic can carry dirt, bacteria, or traces of pesticides on its surface. Imagine preparing a meal for your loved ones and unknowingly adding a dash of unwanted contaminants. Not so appetizing, right? Washing your garlic under running water ensures any residues are removed. Mistake number 5, improper storage of garlic. Ever found yourself throwing away garlic because it's gone bad or started sprouting? Storing garlic correctly isn't just about reducing waste. It's about preserving its health properties. Storing garlic in the refrigerator might seem logical, but the cold, moist environment can promote mold growth and sprouting. On the flip side, leaving garlic in a warm, sunny spot can dry it out, reducing its potency. The best way to store garlic is in a cool, dark place with good air circulation, like a pantry or cupboard. Use a mesh bag or a bowl to allow air to circulate. Remember, garlic needs to breathe to stay fresh and potent. Mistake number 6, not letting garlic rest after chopping. Patience is a virtue, especially with garlic. When you chop or crush garlic, the magic happens, but only if you wait. Letting garlic sit for at least 10 minutes after chopping allows its beneficial compounds to develop fully. It's like brewing tea. The longer you let it steep, the stronger it becomes. Cooking garlic immediately after chopping can prevent maximum compound formation, especially if subjected to heat. So next time you're preparing a meal, chop the garlic first, then focus on other ingredients while it rests. Good things come to those who wait, and in this case, better health benefits too. Mistake number 7, ignoring garlic's interaction with medications. Garlic isn't just food, it's medicine, but like any medicine, it can have side effects. Consuming large amounts of garlic can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners, blood pressure medications, and insulin or other diabetes medications. For example, garlic's properties can amplify the effects of anticoagulants, potentially leading to excessive bleeding. Imagine preparing for surgery and not knowing that your garlic habit could complicate things. Always inform your healthcare provider about your dietary habits, especially if you consume garlic supplements or large amounts of raw garlic. Better safe than sorry. Mistake number 8, not choosing the best garlic. Selecting high-quality garlic is more important than you might think. Next time you're at the market, look at the garlic bulbs carefully. Choose ones that are firm to the touch, with tight, unbroken skin. Avoid bulbs that are sprouting, shriveled, moldy, or have soft spots. These are signs of age and degradation, which means less potency. Think of garlic like a superhero. When it's fresh and strong, it can save the day. Don't settle for a weakened sidekick. Now that we've identified the mistakes, let's dive into the benefits you're missing out on if you don't consume garlic properly. Benefit number 1, lowering blood pressure. High blood pressure affects millions and is a major risk factor for heart issues. Including properly prepared garlic in your diet may help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. But remember, proper preparation maximizes this benefit, potentially helping you keep your blood pressure in check naturally. Benefit number 2, antioxidant powerhouse. Garlic is packed with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, which contributes to aging and various diseases. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. By consuming garlic the right way, you're not just adding flavor to your meals, you're investing in your long-term health and vitality. Benefit number 3, supporting immune health. Regular consumption of garlic can help support a healthy immune system. It may aid in preventing and reducing the severity of common illnesses like the flu and common cold. Imagine sailing through flu season unscathed while others around you are falling ill. Garlic could be your secret weapon if you use it right. Benefit number 4, natural antimicrobial properties. Before modern medicine, garlic was used to combat infections. Its natural properties are effective against certain bacteria, viruses, and fungi. In a world where health is paramount, natural options like garlic can play a supportive role, but again, only when consumed properly. Benefit number 5, supporting digestive health. Garlic may aid digestion and help maintain a healthy gut flora. Including it in your diet could contribute to overall digestive well-being. Are you missing out on these benefits by making simple mistakes? So, we've uncovered the 8 critical mistakes that could be holding you back from enjoying the full spectrum of garlic's health benefits. From overcooking to improper storage, each misstep chips away at the potential of this incredible food. Now, the ball is in your court. Will you continue with old habits, or will you embrace these simple changes for a healthier you? Remember, knowledge is power, but it's useless unless you apply it. Start today. Next time you're in the kitchen, think about how you're using garlic. Make sure you're unlocking its full potential. What other everyday habits might be silently sabotaging your health? It's time to take control and make informed choices. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and let's spread the word about the right way to harness the power of garlic.